Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I wanted to show you guys the pressure washing guns that I'm currently using. There is a video on my channel of a cheaper gun that I was using, so I just wanted to update you guys. I got, of course, everybody in the comments saying, hey, you're using crap guns, or so this is for you guys. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at these pressure washing guns here. For anybody that follows the channel, this one is probably the most familiar one. This is the ST-1500 by Suttner. Some of you guys have left comments, probably just the people sitting at home on the couch just watching YouTube all day, criticizing everybody else. But anyways, had some comments that this is a crap gun. It's still working. It's not my gun that I use currently out in the field, but it still works. So you got brass, of course. Now I would probably put stainless steel on there. There's stainless steel at the bottom, but yeah, my son uses it now to wash my car. So if I need an extra, and that's the last resort, that gun still works, and I'll grab it and it'll work great. So this next one here, this is the Suttner 2315. This is probably the most versatile gun that I use. This one I use almost daily. Got I think that one's a 5-inch stainless steel, 1/4-inch stainless steel. There's been comments, where do I get these? You can buy them at any hardware store, really, any Lowe's, Home Depot. Just go to the pipes or the fittings. Just make sure it's 1/4-inch. Regular threads. Get stainless steel. It'll thread right in there. If you're worried about it threading, bring your gun into the store and thread it in there. Anyways, this gun has worked fantastic. I was at the huge convention earlier this year, and I seen this and needed a second gun, so I decided to pick this up. This is the Water Dragon. It's the same gun as the ST-2315. It's just branded for Water Dragon. It's a gun that the Power Wash store sells, I believe. So this one, I decided I was going to try not to do the pipe on this one. And I just put, just screwed the 1/4-inch fitting directly into the gun there. Of course, stainless. And I ran the J-rod on that one, and I noticed that the distance was lacking a little bit. So by putting that 5 or 6 inch tube on your gun, you are going to get more distance. At least in my tests, this one proved to get more distance than this one. Of course, this one has a shooter tip on it. That's without using the shooter tip, just the 0 degree there. I can get more distance out of that than this. This is probably my favorite gun for doing like a 1-story house wash. It's a quick, easy. I like the M5 twist a lot. I just don't get the distance that I get out of the J-rod. So I've even tried to use the M5 and attach it to this tube, and I still get more distance out of the J-rod setup. Again, this is all my personal test and my personal experience. I'm using 8 gallon a minute pressure washer. So again, M5, this is what I use for 1 story. This is what I use pretty much for everything else. You can use it for 1 story too. So just wanted to throw you guys also a little bit more information as far as what I use for J-rods here. See if I can get a good reading. This is a 0080. This one right here is the 2560. Then we got a 2520. Then of course Guy Blackman's shooter tip. This one I don't use as much as this one, so this one actually works pretty well. If I'm really trying to get 4 stories plus, and there's like a little crevice there, I will use that one. So them are the tips that I use. Of course, the tip on this is M5 twist, and then this is for the roof pump. This is 0030. This is the 15. See if it'll focus there for you guys. 1530. 2530, and then 4030. So this is with my 12 volt 5.5 gallon 60 psi And this works pretty well. So if you guys have any more questions about the guns that I use or J-rods or any of that type of stuff, leave a comment down below. If you like the video, you want to know more information or follow my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I know there's enough haters out there that'll hit the dislike. So for all you guys, there's more videos coming. Hang in there. Talk to y'all soon.